Good day, viewers. Today, we are going to look at mathematics, a continuation of our topic mensuration. So, particularly, we are going to be discussing on the surface area and volume of cube. In our last lesson, we were able to derive the surface area of a cube and also its volume. The surface area of a cube is given as 6L raised to power 2. That is 6 multiplied by length times length. And also the volume of a cube was also derived to be equal to L raised to power 3, in which the unit of the surface area is given as centimeter square or meter square, while the unit of the volume is given as centimeter cube or meter cube. Now, the first one we looked at is the surface area of a cube. Example 1. The first example reads, what is the surface area of a cube of edges 12 centimeter? Here you want to find the surface area, which you recall that the surface area of a cube is equal to 6L raised to power 2. Now, in this question, we are given edges to be 12 centimeter. If you can recall, given a cube of equal size, so the sides are all equal and they are referred to as edges. So this place edges is 12 centimeter. The edge here also is 12 centimeter, while this one also is 12 centimeter. Now, we want to find the surface area of this cube. Now, the surface area of a cube equals to 6L squared, which is also equal to 6 multiplied by one of the edges. This is 12 multiplied by 12. So we have 6 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 12 gives 144. So when you multiply 6 multiplied by 144, it gives 864 centimeter square. So this is the surface area of this cube. Example 2. If the total surface area of a cube is 96 centimeters square, what is the length of the cube? Here, the question gives a surface area of a cube to be 96 centimeters square. That is, total surface area of a cube is given at 96 centimeter square, and we are told to find the length of the cube. The length is unknown. The first thing to do is to write the formula of the surface area. That is, total surface area of a cube is equals to 6L squared. When you write the formula first, then we now place our parameters as on where they're supposed to be. That is, TNC, total surface area, will be here, 96 equals to 6L squared. Now, we have to find this L, to look for the value of this L. If we could recall in our elementary mathematics, when we say 6L, what it actually means is 6 multiplied by length. To get rid of this 6, you have to find the opposite of this multiplication, and the opposite of multiplication is division. So in this case, we divide both sides by this 6. We have 96 is equal to 6L squared divided by 6 divided by 6. 6 goes in 6. Here we have 6 goes here 1. 6 goes in 96. This gives 16. So here 16 equals to L squared. We can also interchange this by saying L squared is equal to 16. Here we want to find the value of L. In this case, we have to remove the square. Also, to remove square, you have to square root both sides. Square root of L square is equal to square root of 16. Square cancels square roots. If you could recall in our indices, L square with the square roots, it is equivalent to L raised to power 2 times the square root is 1 over 2. So 2 goes in 2. So we're going to have L raised to power 1, which is equal to L. So here as well, 2 goes in square root. We have L is out. So square root of 16 can be gotten as 4 multiplied by 4. So our L equals to 4 centimeter. So the length of this cube is equals to 4 centimeter. So this is how to apply the surface area for a cube. Now, let us now look at the application of the volume of a cube, how to apply the formula. Yes, example 3 reads, find the volume of a cube whose edges are 7 centimeter each. To find the volume of a cube which edges are 7 centimeter each, the first step is to write the formula of that particular volume of a cube. So volume of a cube is equal to length raised to the power 3. That is length times length times length. And in this question, we are given 7 centimeter as our length. That is the edges. So we have 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. So when we multiply 7 in 3 places, we're actually going to get 343 then centimeter cube. We know the difference between these units and that unit of area. This is in centimeter cube, while the unit of area is in centimeter square. Question 4 says, if the volume of a box in the shape of a cube is 2,197 centimeter cube, find the length of the edge. Since we know that a cube has equal size, and in this case, we are given the volume of a cube to be equals to 2,197 centimeter cube, and the length, which is the edge, one of the edge, is unknown. So let's set our formula first. We write our formula first. So volume of a cube equals to length raised to the power 3. Now, wherever you find volume, we put this value. So we're going to have 2,197 is equals to length raised to the power 3. Now, to get our length, we have to get rid of this cube. In that case, we find the cube root of both sides. But before then, let us interchange this, since this is an equal sign. Length raised to the power 3 is equals to 2,197. So cube roots of L cube equals to cube roots of 2,197. So cube cancel cube roots. So L is out. L is out. So what can we multiply in 3 places to give us this value? So we are going to have 13 multiplied by 13 multiplied by 13. So length equals to, so you pick one of these, 13 centimeter. So this is the length of a cube. So with this, you can actually understand very well on the application of the formula for calculating the surface area of a cube and the volume of a cube. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also click the notification bell for the subsequent lesson. Also, share to other learners for them to also benefit from this. Thank you.